Good morning, everyone. Myself, Radhika. I'm working as assistant professor. Today, I'm going to give a lecture on natural allergens. The main learning outcomes of this video will be the students should be able to identify natural allergens and their sources, and they should be in a position to mention the various types of natural allergens, and they should be able to list out the symptoms of natural allergens. And coming to introduction, allergens are inciting agents of allergy, that is, the substance capable of sensitizing the body in such a way that an unusual response occurs in hypersensitive person. The allergens may be of biologic, chemical, or of synthetic origin. The substance such as pollens, danders, dust, etc. are also acts as natural allergens, and these allergens may be made up of proteins or glycoproteins. When coming to types of allergens, we have various types like inhalant allergens, ingestant allergens, injecting allergens, contactant allergens, infectant allergens. These are the types based on the mode of their intake into the body. The reflection spot. By listening to this video, the students will be able to differentiate various types of allergens also based on the symptoms. First type, inhalant allergens. Inhalant allergens are airborne substances as chemicals. They causing respiratory disease. They also cause inflammation in nose and lungs. Inhalant allergies caused by environmental factors such as pollen, pets, house dust, mites, and moles. Inflammation in nose and lungs may cause hay fever and asthma. The major symptoms include sneezing, lacrimation, coughing and postnasal drip, itching eyes, nose and throat, allergic shiner, allergic salute, watering eyes, conjunctivitis. When coming to second type, they are ingestant allergens. Allergens which are present in foodstuff and swallowed are termed ingestant, majorly responsible for food allergy. A food allergy is an immune system response to a food. When foods are digested and the nutrients are absorbed, substances in the food, nothing but ingestant allergens, they stimulate allergic response inside the body. These reactions cause a number of allergic symptoms. Some most common food allergens ingested by patients are milk, egg, peanut, tree nut, fish, soya, wheat, orange juice, cod liver oil, etc. The main symptoms are food allergens ordinarily cause GIT symptoms, gastrointestinal tract, but also cause skin rash, puffed lips and tongue, migraine, rhinitis, bronchial asthma. When coming to third type, they are injectant allergens. The injectants, injectable preparations and insects cause allergy in hypersensitive person who are in allergic conditions is known as injectant allergy. The natural source of injectable allergens are produced by the sting of bees, hornets and wasps. In addition to penicillin products, other injectable that may cause allergies are liver extract, antitoxins and the glandular products. Symptoms include itching of the palms of hands and soles of feet, erythema, peeling of skin. When coming to the fourth type, it is nothing but contactant allergens. Any allergens, they produce manifestation of hypersensitivity at the site of skin or other mucus. When our body comes in contact with these type of allergens, they result in allergic reactions. Aeroallergens such as the various pollen grains containing oils, trichomes from various leaves, flowers, and small fragments of plant tissue carried by smoke originating from bushfires, grass fires, and burning leaves are also cause for contact allergens. A number of plant products used as additives in cosmetics and perfumes are irritants and they cause skin allergy to some hypersensitive individuals. Wool fat in cosmetics, soap and soap powders, plain detergents, and enzyme detergents, cosmetic products like nail polishes, hair dye, hairspray are also included among the major cause of contact dermatitis. The last and fifth type includes infectant allergens. Allergy caused by the metabolic product of living microorganism in the human body. The continual presence of certain types of bacteria, protozoa, molds, helminths, and other parasites in the body of human being are responsible for chronic infection. In such patient, bacterial metabolic waste are considered to be infectant allergens. Thank you for listening patiently.